Hello everyone and welcome to the very quick tutorial on how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat Not Installed Fortnite 2024. First of all, open up your Epic Games launcher, then find your Fortnite game in the library, click on three dots, go to Manage, now click on this folder button over here to open up your game directory. Now go ahead and in the search bar type in Easy, it's going to find a Easy Anti-Cheat folder for us. And now go ahead and click once on the setup right over here, then right click, create shortcut, then in the shortcut go to properties, and where it says target, go to the very end, then press space once and then type in repair, apply and OK, then double click this setup. It will repair your Easy Anti-Cheat and then your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helps, leave a comment, press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you very soon in the next one.